Hello everyone and welcome in my video in which I'm going to talk about the final steps I do at the end of the retouching. So how I often adjust the colors, how I check if everything is as it's supposed to be. And here we have image from recent project with extremely talented photographer Dominika Jarczyńska. I often work with her. I love working with her. And you can see the image is absolutely the top class with amazing makeup artist Nina as well. So this is the final image, but I just want to show you what I often do, how I use my own product to find my own style and get the colors that I really like on the images. And for this, I use my own LUTs and the color profiles. So I'm just going to show you what I often do at the very end. As I mentioned, it's very casual, something not demanding. So when I open color profiles, I have some color profiles by Adobe over here, but all of this below is the profiles that I actually developed by myself. You can see different names. I named them myself as well. So you can see that each of them give different effects. And I make them based off my own needs, of my own style, of my own work, and working with the photographers so I know it match their style as well. So at the end, I try to look at the different color profiles to see what would match for the image. So for example, choosing this one, which is part of my film profiles or LUTs that I have on my website. And on the top, I'm able to adjust the strength of the profile as well. So not sure if this one actually match to this image because it's just random tries in this case. Of course, some of them imitating famous films like Ektachrome, Gold, Portrait. The other group is fashion LUTs and profiles. For this, for sure, I would go with something rather simple here. Maybe something like this gold, changing a little bit the tones or this Ektachrome. And after I decide what I really like here, I'm just going with it. So for this, as I said, not sure what would match here, but this Ektachrome matching nicely, or even this soft portrait. And often that's it. Later I try to adjust something more here, depending on the needs. And I never really advertised these products that much, as I usually keep it for my own images, but I do sell them on my website. So for example, film LUTs and profiles, fashion LUTs and profiles, and creative LUTs and profiles. So you get color profiles for Lightroom and Camera, as well as LUTs for Photoshop. So I'm going to reset that as it's not part of the image, but you can have a look that my color grading process is actually very simple, because in retouching work, it's very important to do things fast. And if you decide to download some of these color profiles or LUTs, you can easily put them to Lightroom and Camera. So simply when you open Lightroom, just go to Preferences, Show Lightroom Develop Presets, and into Settings. You need to copy the folders and paste them here or move them here, as you can see. Film profiles, fashion profiles, color profiles, and some other profiles that I developed before and are available with my courses. So if you want to speed up work, if working with profiles is something you're looking for, that's the way to work fast and get really great colors on your images. Thank you for watching, and soon I'm going to come back with some Photoshop tutorial. For now, thank you for watching and see you soon.